Despite a reputation for gluttony, wild pigs rarely overeat and are intelligent, adaptable animals. Members of the pig family, which also includes hogs, boars, and the babirusa, are omnivorous, rather than purely herbivorous, and are characterized by a barrel-shaped body, curiously slender legs, a short neck, and a large head. They are found in forests and grasslands throughout Africa and Eurasia and have also been successfully introduced to Australia, New Zealand, and the Americas. The babirusa and the pygmy hog are both endangered because of habitat destruction. Almost all domestic pigs are descended from the wild boar. One of the most interesting features of a pig's anatomy is its snout, which has a cartilaginous disc at its tip, enclosing the nostrils. The disc is supported by a small bone, the prenasal, not present in other mammals, and is used like a bulldozer when foraging for food. Most species also have upper and lower canines that grow outward and upward to form tusks. The tips of the lower canines wear against the underside of the upper canines. In the babirusa, however, the male's upper tusks grow up through the skin of the face and then curve backwards. Female pigs have smaller canines, female babirusas have no canines. Pigs also have cloven feet. Two large, flattened hooves bear the animal's weight, but on soft ground the two shorter, lateral hooves may touch the ground and help spread the weight. Pigs have thick skin, with hair that is either long and bristly, as in the wild boar, or sparse, as in the babirusa. Most species have a mane down the back of the neck. The tail is thin, twisted, mobile, and usually sparsely tufted. The long tusks of males are used for defense against predators and for fighting other males for social status or mates. Pigs demonstrate two distinct fighting styles, lateral and head-to-head. Lateral conflict involves the combatants slashing at each other's shoulders. This fighting style is practiced by pigs, such as the wild boar, that have a long, narrow face, no facial warts, and small tusks. Pigs with a broad head, thick skull, long tusks, and facial warts, for protection against wounds, such as warthogs and giant forest hogs, tend to fight head-to-head. Pigs live in sounders, families of a sow and her offspring, which communicate by squeals and grunts. Boars join sounders during the mating season. Pigs are the only hoofed mammals to have litters rather than one or two young, only the babirusa has twins. The distinctive upper canines of the male babirusa grow through the muzzle and curve back toward the face. Up to 12 inches, 30 centimeters, long, they are also loose-socketed and brittle. The almost hairless hide varies in color from brown to gray. Males are primarily solitary, while females and their young travel in groups of about 8. The gestation period of 155 to 158 days is fairly typical for the pig family. The litter size is only 1 to 2. The warthog is a long-legged pig, with a large head. When running, its tail is held straight and upright. Generally active by day, it lives in mixed groups of 4 to 16 young males or females with young. They shelter and raise their young in grass-lined burrows, dug by themselves or by aardvarks. Also called the javelina, this is the smallest of the 3 peccary species. It is generally dark gray with a whitish, often indistinct, neck collar. The young are reddish with a narrow black stripe along the back. Found in a variety of habitats, the collared peccary eats mainly plant matter such as berries, shoots, tubers, and bulbs, but also grubs, worms, and small vertebrates such as snakes and lizards. Peccaries are notably gregarious and form bands of up to 15, of mixed age and sex, which cooperate to repel enemies. Members stand side by side and rub faces in mutual grooming. The wild boar, or Eurasian wild pig, is one of the most widely distributed terrestrial mammals, and is also the main ancestor of domestic breeds. It occupies a wide variety of habitats, eats almost any food, runs fast, and swims well. Males live alone except for the mating season, when they join with females and fight rival males for harems. Females are very protective of their young and may band together into groups, sounders, of 20 or more.